Circuit components. Circuit components means the components which will join together and make a complete passage or the path or make an electric circuit, or the parts which combine together and make a one complete circuit are known as circuit components. And there are many circuit components. They have different purpose, like different reasons why we are using those specific components. You don't have to learn all of them. You have to learn about the logic gates, a diode, light dependent resistor, thermistor, variable resistor, relay, fuse, relay, earthing, and circuit breaker. These are the components. And about these components, you don't have to learn the internal working. You have to learn if we use them in a circuit, how they perform the task or what will happen. But you don't internally, because each component is having its own internal mechanism of working, but you don't have to in exam. They will not ask internally like how logic gate work, how a diode internally work. Only the action in the circuit, like if you are using them in a circuit, what you will see or what you will observe. So first we'll start with the logic gates. Basically, what are logic gates? Logic gates are giving the logic about the circuit. What are the logic of the circuit? For any circuit, what are the two possibilities? Either it will work or it will not work. These are the only two possibilities for a circuit. Like either it is working or it is not working. Or if it is working, we can use the term connected. If it is not working, we can use the term not connected. Or we can also use that the circuit is high when it is working, or logic is high when it is working, and the logic is low when it is not working. Or we can also say one, if it is working, we say 1. If it is not working, we say 0. And if a circuit is working, we say it is a closed circuit. And if it is not working, we call that as a open circuit. Like when in terms of logic, I say closed, a switch is closed or a circuit is closed. So what is the meaning that the circuit is closed? It means that circuit can allow the current to flow, because if you have a switch which is placed like this, can this allow the electricity to pass? Will it allow electricity to pass if it is not connected or open? So it won't allow. So that's why we say it is open. But when it is connected, so what we use the term, it is closed. So like in terms of, if I say a circuit is closed, a closed circuit. So actually closed circuit means that it allow electricity to pass. And if I say a circuit is open or a switch is open, in terms of physics, open switch means that the connection is not there. So the current or electricity cannot flow. Is it clear about this? The idea of the logic gate. So basically, logic gates are giving an idea that what condition your circuit will, or whether your circuit is working or your circuit will not work. So this is a common thing you will find. Like example, some of the switches, you will find it is written 0 and 1. Maybe you have seen some switches are there, instead of writing on and off, they're writing 0 and 1. So why they're writing 0 and 1? If you press 0, actually 0 means off and 1 means on. Same thing, if the same button, by pressing a button, same button, you can switch on and switch off the device. Like example, television remote control, power switch, a power button. When you press for one time, the television will switch on. When you press that same button again, the television will switch off. Same thing for split ACs or air conditioner. If you press a power button, it will on, and if you press it again, it will off. So when we are using the same button to switch